Okay, boys, now today we are going to start 13.3, who's related with cone. Basically, cone is a 3D shape of triangle. Okay, so when in cone we have two height. One is a straight height which you can see in the middle one, and the second is a slant height. Okay, the slant one is slant height which is represented by L, and the baseline its radius. Okay, so these three lines are making right angle triangle. Okay, so the CSA, curve surface area of cone, the formula of curve surface area of cone is pi r L. L is a slant line. Okay, sometime it happened that in question they don't give you the slant height, they just give the height and the radius. That time you can use Pythagoras theorem for finding the slant line. Okay, slant height. So look at here, in this question diameter of base is given, which is 10.5. So for diameter is given, for finding the radius we'll do divide by 2. Remember that, boys, whenever you have such kind of number which is already in point and we can see that it is not divisible by 2 completely, so what we can do here, we'll leave it like that only. Okay, we keep this value like this only. So look at here, there's curve surface area is given, that is pi r L. Pi, value of pi is 22 by 7, r is 10.5, and slant height is given, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, so when we are putting the value, multiply with 10, 2 se cancel. When we are putting the value, it cutting 2, 22 can be cut by 2 11 times, and 7 cut 10.5 1.3 times, 1.5 times, sorry. Now when we multiply it, it gives us 165. 1.5 multiplied by 10 is 15. Now 11 into 15 is 165. So this is the solution of first question. Now the second question, find the total surface area of the cone if slant height is 21 meter and the diameter of its base is 24 meter. So total surface area, for total surface area we'll add the base area with the curve surface area. So curve हमारे पास था 2 pi r L, and if we add pi r square, the formula is become pi r. If we take pi r common, it will be pi r bracket r plus a. Now put the value. As diameter is 24, so we divide it for getting radius, that is 12. Now putting the value, it's giving 22 by 7 into 12 into 33. So let first multiply all the number which are in denominator. So when we are multiplying 22 into 12, it gives 264, which is multiplied by 33. And after multiplying 264 with 33, it gives us, let's multiply it first. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 2 3, 6 are 18, 1 19, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, and 7. The same number will come in denominator, 792. So we can write it directly. It's 2, 1, 1 carry, so 17, 1, 8. So it is 8712 meter square. So the value of total surface area is 8712 upon 7. If we cut it, so what we get, 7 ones are 7, then 7 twos are 14, and 3 left, 31, 7 fours are 28. Okay, so it's 24 times, and again we get 3, 32. Again it can be cut by 4, so 7 fours are 28. Then point will come and it will be 40. So 5 times we can cancel. 7 fives are 35, and the remaining is 7 sevens are, we can cut 7 sevens are, or we can leave it here also. Okay, Now third question, curved surface area of the cone is 308 is given, slant height is 14. Now we have to find radius. So for that we directly apply the formula. So CSA is CSA equals to pi RL. CSA is given, that is 308, pi 22 by 7, R remain as it is. L ka value is given, that is 14, so we are writing 14 here. After solving it, R is coming 7. After getting R, they are asking about total surface area. So for total surface area, the formula is CSA plus pi R square, the base circle. Okay, so it will be area of base circle. So CSA, the formula of CSA is pi RL, which is already given. Now we don't need to calculate it again and again. 308 is already given, so we'll write 308. Then for base area we do pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 and r square is 7 into 7. 7 is cancelled with the denominator, and 22 into 7 is 154. So it's 308 plus 1, 154. So we can add 308 and 154, and it gives us 8 plus 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 6 and 4, 462, right? It will be 462. So this is the answer of third one. Now look, fourth question. The conical tent is 10 meter high. Now this height is a straight height. Remember that. The same which I was asking in the starting of the video. Then sometime L is not given. If L is not given, you will use Pythagoras theorem. So look, here we are using Pythagoras theorem for finding L. Because our both formulas, if we are talking about CSA or TSA, both are depend on slant height. So first we will find the slant height with the help of Pythagoras, that is under root r square plus h square. So r is 24, so 24 square plus 10 square. 24 square is 576 and 10 square is 100, which gives us 676, and it is a factor, is perfect square of 26. So L is 26. Now the second question is cost of the canvas required to make a tent if the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. So as we know, cost is equals to area into rate. So our area is, first we have to find the curved surface area, that is pi r L. We can find area by pi r L formula, and r, that is rate 70. Rate is given 70. So let's put the value. In the place of pi, we can put 22 by 7. R is how much? 24, and L slant height is 26 and rate is 70. 70 will cut by 7 10 times, and we multiply all the numbers which are in numerator, 22 into 24 into 26 into 10. So after multiplying all these numbers, we'll get 22 into 56 is when we multiply 22 and 24, it gives us 528, and this is 260. Now we can multiply 528 and 260. So the value will be rupees, how much? 137,280. Okay. Now the next question. The length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and the base radius is 6 meter. Assuming that extra length of material that be required for stitching and wasting cutting approximately 20 centimeter and pi is 3.14 is given. Again, height and base is given, slant height is not given. So first we will find slant height with the formula root r square plus h square. R is 6, H is 8, so 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, which gives us 100. So the value of L is 10. Now the area of the tarpaulin will be L into B, है ना, वो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप का होगा, सो इट्स L into B, सो लेंथ इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया अपॉन बेस हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो द एरिया, उसका एरिया उतना ही होगा जितना ये कोन के लिए यूज हुआ है, दैट इज पाई आर एल, एंड द बेस दैट वी नो इज 3, है 3 मीटर वाइड है, तो 3 इज द बेस. So now after solving it, it gave 3 2s are 6. After multiplying it, it coming 62.8. So the length is 62.8. Now one more thing which is they are saying that 20 centimeter extra used. So what we'll do for this 20 centimeter, first we convert this 20 centimeter into meter. For converting it, we divide by 100. It gives us 0.2 meter. So now the total length will be 62.8 plus 0.2. So it gives us 63 meter. Okay. Okay boys, sixth question. The slant height and the base of the diameter of conical dome are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Okay. Slant height is 25 and base diameter is 14. Find the cost of whitewash its curved surface area at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square. Okay, so for this, first of all, we need to find a CSA and then we multiply it with the rate of whitewash. Generally, they give us 1 meter square rate, but here they given us 100 meter square, but we need 1 meter square only. So if the cost of 100 meter square is 210, what will be the cost of 1 meter square? That is 210 upon 100. Now look at here, for the cost we have done CSA into rate. CSA as the formula, it's pi RL, and rate is 210 upon 100. So now we'll solve it. Radius was given 14 meters, so diameter was given 14 meter. Now radius will be 7. So 7 and 7 cancel out. It's 22 into 25, because 25 is the slant height, into 21. So when we multiply these values, 10 can be cancelled out with the 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. And 2 cancel 11 times. So it's 11 into 5 into 21. So this can be 55 into 21. 55 ones are 55. Carry 5, 50 to 110 plus 5, that is 1155 rupees. Now the seventh question, a joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone of the base radius 7 cm and height is 24. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Now look at here boys, joker cap में क्या होता है, we'll not use the base, no, हम base वाला part open रखते हैं so that we can wear it. So हम क्या करेंगे, only CSA will count. For CSA we need slant height, which is not given. So again we'll use the Pythagoras theorem, L is equals to root r square plus h square, which gives us L is equals to 25. Now curve surface area of one cap is pi RL. We want to find the area of 10 such caps. So once we find the area of one cap, we can multiply it by 10 for getting the area of 10 such caps. So pi RL, pi is 22 by 7, R is 7 and L is 25. 7 and 7 cancel out. 25 2s are 50, 0 and 5. 25 2s are 50 and 5 50. So it's 550 centimeter square for one cap. Now CSA, or the area of the sheet required for 10 caps, is equals to 550 into 10, which means it's 5500 centimeter square. Now question number 8, a bus stop barricaded from the remaining part of the road. By using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard, each cone has a base diameter 40 centimeter and height is 1 meter. Again, this is the straight height. If the outer side of each of the cone to be painted at the cost of 12 meter per square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Okay, and pi value is given, that is 3.14. Again, we need a slant height first of all. So diameter is given 40, which means R is equals to 20 centimeter. But the rate of painting is given in meter terms. So we'll convert into meter, which gives us 0.2. And the height is 1 meter, right? The height is 1 meter. So L is equals to under root R square plus H square. In the place of R, we'll put 0.2 in the place of H1, which gives 0.04 plus 1. And it means 104. Look, root 100, 1.04 value is given, that is 1.02. So no need to simplify it. Directly we can write 0.1.02. Now CSA of one cone, because painted should be done outside only, the curve side only. So we'll find CSA, which is pi r L for 1. So it's 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02. So after multiplying these values, we'll get 640 point will also come. 1 2 3 4 5 5 times before the 0.64056 meter square. This is a cost of 1. No, it's not a cost right now, it's just a CSA of 1 cone. So there are 50 such cones, right? 50 hollow cones. So for getting 50 cone area, we'll multiply by 50. So 50 into 0.4056. So 5 6 are 30, 0 3, 5 5 are 25, 28, 2, 5 0 0 2 and 5. It gives us 32.028 meter square. Okay. So this is the CSA of 5 cones. Now we have to find the value, cost. So cost of 1 meter square is 12 rupees. So total cost will be, so total cost will be 0 32 32.028 multiply by 12, multiply by 12. So multiply it, getting the answer, it gives us 2 3 3 4 8 6. It gives us 384.4 rupees. Okay.